In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a business email on Google for ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the setup process. Creating a business email through Google is a fantastic way to enhance your professionalism and brand visibility. We'll be using Google Workspace to do this, which is perfect for integrating with ActiveCampaign. First things first, you'll need to sign up for Google Workspace. Head over to the Google Workspace website. Once you're there, you'll see various plans tailored for different business needs. Choose the one that best suits you. If you're just starting, the Business Starter Plan is a good option, as it's quite budget-friendly and has everything you need to get going. After selecting your plan, you're going to be prompted to enter your basic information, like your business name and the number of employees. Fill that in, and then click Next. Google will then ask for some contact information. Make sure you enter a reliable phone number and email address because this is crucial for account verification and recovery options. Now you'll need to create your business email address. Typically, you'd want something straightforward and professional, like your name or a common format that includes your business name. It could be info@yourbusiness.com or contact@yourbusiness.com. This is important as it helps your customers recognize your emails and builds trust in your brand. Once you've chosen your email address, you will have the opportunity to set a password. Make sure to create a strong password, something that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your email security. After this step, you'll verify the domain name. If you don't already have a domain, Google provides an option to purchase one. If you've already got a domain from another provider, you'll need to verify ownership by updating your DNS settings. Google will provide instructions on what changes you need to make. Once your domain is verified, it's time to set up your email account fully. Google Workspace will guide you through creating your user accounts. For a new business email in this account, go to the Users section and click Add a User. Enter the required information and hit Save. After you've created your email address, you'll want to configure how you'll access your new email. You can use Gmail, which is super user-friendly, or you can set it up on other email clients with the settings Google provides. Now let's get to the fun part, integrating this new business email with ActiveCampaign. Log into your ActiveCampaign account and go to Settings. From there, click on Email. Here, you'll see an option to add an email address. Enter your newly created Google Business email address and click to verify it. ActiveCampaign might ask you to confirm this action through your email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you've confirmed the email, you're all set. This integration allows you to send emails directly through ActiveCampaign while keeping everything in sync with your new professional email. This helps keep your marketing efforts organized and effective. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your business email with Google, and it's all ready to be used with ActiveCampaign. This creates a more professional front for your business and can greatly enhance your communication with clients. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.